Temu does not accept physical cash directly at checkout because it is an online-only marketplace with no physical stores or cash-on-delivery option in most countries, including the US, UK, EU, Canada, and Australia. However, you can still effectively pay with cash using these indirect methods. 1. Buy a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card with cash. Most reliable. Go to a supermarket, pharmacy, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, grocery store, or gas station. Purchase a Visa or MasterCard prepaid gift card, commonly $25, $50, $100 denominations, using cash. Fees are usually $3 to $7 depending on the amount and retailer. Activate the card at the register or online. Follow instructions on the card packaging. At Temu checkout, select credit or debit card. Enter the gift card number, expiration date, and CVV. Pay the exact amount or use multiple cards if needed. Temu supports multiple payment methods in one order. 2. Use cash to fund PayPal or Cash App, then Pay Temu. Load cash onto PayPal via PayPal Cash Card Reload at stores like Walmart, or Cash App via Cash App Card Reload or Bitcoin purchase at participating retailers. Link PayPal or Cash App to Temu. Pay with the funded balance.